Hi everyone, welcome to a Cosmic Conjunctions video. So today we're going to be having a little lesson on conjunctions and a few quizzes as well. Hold on to your hats, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's see what we can learn together. Okay, so what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a sentence stretcher. It turns your basic sentence into a longer, more complex, tricky sentence. There's two types of conjunctions. Are you ready for some tricky words? The first one is a coordinating conjunction. Can you say that with me? Coordinating conjunction. And the second is a subordinating conjunction. Say it with me. Subordinating conjunction. Great job, those were tricky words. They sound tricky, but to be honest, they are quite easy. A coordinating conjunction is the words we use to link ideas together, and we know loads already. They make compound sentences. Basically, you could call them linking words. In a compound sentence, two ideas are put together in one sentence, with a coordinating conjunction pop in the middle. So let's have a look at some examples. It does sound tricky, but I bet you'll find this super easy. I am going on a bike ride, so I will need to wear my helmet. So we've got sentence, comma, conjunction, sentence, full stop. At the bottom, we've got all the different coordinating conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. We remember them by using fanboys. It's the first letter of each of the coordinating conjunctions. So when we ask for a variety of conjunctions, try and use more than one on the fanboys list. Here's another one. I would rather not have to play basketball, nor do I want to play football. So we've got sentence, I would rather not have to play basketball, comma, conjunction, nor do I want to play football. Let's see if you can add the right coordinating conjunction. You ready? Pause the video if you need to. The Ferris wheel was pretty fun. Blank, the roller coaster was my favourite. Is it so? And, but, or no? Why not try them in and see which one sounds best? It's not so, or and, or no. It's but. The Ferris wheel was pretty fun, comma, but the roller coaster was my favourite. Did you get it right? Bet you did. Here's another. You can finish the leftover pasta for lunch. Blank, you can make a toasted sandwich. Or, and, for, no. Which do you think? It's not and, or for, or no. It's or. You can finish the leftover pasta for lunch, or you can make a toasted sandwich. Great job, boys and girls. Here's the next one. I always buy the large box of paper clips. Blank, I can never find one when I need it. This sounds like me, doesn't it, boys and girls? Always losing things. Is it so? And, for, or yet? Tell your grown-up or write it down. It's not so. It's yet. I always buy the large box of paper clips, yet I can never find one when I need it. Now it's time for you to have a go at these on your own. 3 sentences. I love cats. I love dogs. I decided to wear a scarf. It was cold outside. I like Rob, he talks too much. So we've got 3 options at the bottom. Which do you think? Pause the video, write the sentences and put the right conjunction in. Number 1 is I love cats, yet I love dogs. Number 2, I decided to wear a scarf, for it was cold. Number 3, I like Rob, but he talks too much. Great job if you got 3 out of 3. Let's move on to subordinating conjunctions now. A subordinating conjunction introduces a subordinate clause. It all sounds very technical, but a subordinate clause is just extra information. It's not essential to the sentence, but it does add more detail. They don't make sense on their own either. Let's have a look at some examples. So they extend a sentence giving more information. So some examples are if, since, as, when, although, while, after, before, until, and because. The eager pupils sped into school when the bell rang. So here we've got the conjunction when, and then the subordinate clause, the bell rang. So the eager pupil sped into school makes sense on its own. Adding the subordinate clause and its conjunction gives us more information. Here's another one. Whales give birth to live young, as they are mammals. So here we've got the red word is the subordinate conjunction and the blue the clause. Whales give birth to live young makes sense on its own, but adding that little bit more information, as they are mammals, extends the sentence. Let's see if you can add the right subordinating conjunction. Here we go. The hopeless rugby team lost the game. Blank, they hadn't trained. Is it if they hadn't trained? Because they hadn't trained? Before they hadn't trained? As they hadn't trained? Or when they hadn't trained? It's not if, or before, or as, or when. It's because. The hopeless rugby team lost the game because they hadn't trained. Because the subordinate clause gives information about why they lost the game. Great job. Here's another. Blank. He walked closer. Cleo could see the statue in the cave entrance. If he walked closer. Because he walked closer. Before he walked closer. As he walked closer. Or when. Do you know? Will you know before they disappear? Not if, not because, not before, and not when. It's as he walked closer. Cleo could see the statue in the cave entrance. This is an interesting one because the subordinate conjunction is at the beginning of the sentence. Oh, isn't it confusing? You can use them anywhere, can't you? Have a go at these now on your own. Cleo examined its bright red eyes, huge smoking nostrils and razor-sharp teeth. Blank, the beast was occupied. Number 2, Cleo took a deep breath. Blank, he tiptoed bravely forward. So have a look. Which ones go in the spaces? Pause the video. Number 1 is while. Cleo examined its bright red eyes, huge smoking nostrils, and razor-sharp teeth while the beast was occupied. Number 2, before. Cleo took a deep breath before he tiptoed bravely forward. Amazing if you got both those right, boys and girls. I'm very impressed indeed. You'll soon be a conjunction expert. We'll keep practicing this in year 4 as well, so don't worry if you found it tricky today. You'll have lots more practice. See you soon.